Hello everyone, my name is Sahaj Bhaskar. Today it's my 6th day of practicing spoken English. I didn't write any notes, didn't prepare anything, didn't think about what to speak. I speak whatever comes in my mind automatically. It's not automatically. And today is Monday, last day of last day of month of June. Today I worked in a showroom and I fought with a one mechanic of service. I asked him to ready the vehicle, but he said to me, go to. I didn't know what to speak. I just came here, open the recorder and speak. I'm not here to getting views or subscribers. I'm here to just enhance my spoken English. That's it. Today I am going to tell about my daily routine. Okay, now. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to give my daily routine. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today I am going to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 5 a.m. then brush and I answers for nature call and go for morning walk for 10 minutes. Then I come back and prepare myself to go for gym. I hit gym for 2 hours. Then come back and enjoy a healthy breakfast. After that I ready to go for work and I leave at 9 a.m. for work. I do 9 to 10 hour work. After that I go to Rise Academy to learn any proficiency of English from Rise Academy through Raval sir. And in this 1 hour class at the day 1, and this is my day 6th, at day 1 I didn't speak any sentence. In fact, I didn't able to speak my name is Sahaj Bhaskar. And now I am giving 10 minutes of speech without thinking what to speak and what not to speak. I don't care about grammar, don't care about sentences. I speak with confidence. And this is my 6th day. I came to Rise Academy and my teacher Raval sir was not there and his elder brothers were there, so he doesn't know me and I also don't know him. So he communicated me in English. He said, what is your name? And I replied with confidence, my name is Sahaj Bhaskar sir. He was sitting and I was standing. After that she told me to please sit down and I said thank you sir and I sat it down. After that he communicated with me. He said that where are you from? And I said I hail from Parel district of Uttar Pradesh, and right now I am living in sector 22 Gurgaon. And he told me why I am there, why I am in Rise Academy, what is the motive of join Rise Academy. And I replied with confidence, I am here to enhance my spoken English. He said, that's great. And he also said that, what do you do now? and I said, I do jobs in Honda's showroom as a sales executive. So then he asked, how old you are? And I said, I am 19 years old. On 23rd November, I will become 20. He shocked and said with shockingness, are you just 19 and you are doing job? मैंने कहा yes sir. Okay, then he said okay, and he was in a hurry, so he must had to go. And after that I called Raval sir and I talk in English with him. I said, where are you sir? I am in Rise Academy. He said, how? It is locked. Then I replied, no sir, it is not locked. Your elder brother is sitting here. So he realized, oh ho ho. Okay, Sahaj, today is off. You may come tomorrow. Then I said, okay sir, thank you. I will come tomorrow. Then after that I pick auto and he dropped me at my location, and after that I come to home and enjoy my dinner, spend my quality time with my family. And now it's 10 p.m. I opened my recorder and recorded my English spoken without any preparation, without any notes, without any advanced thinking, pre-thinking what I need to do, without any topic selection. Just speak whatever comes in my mind. I didn't care about mistake. I didn't care about sentence. I didn't care about my pronunciation. I am just here to speak. That's it. And I am improving. I can see I am improving, but not so accurate, but slowly. This is my day 6th, and I know when I will come to day 360 after 1 year, I will be fluent in English. That's my promise to me. Okay, now it's 7:48. I have 2 minutes left, so I don't know what to speak in this 2 minutes, but I will. Now I am walking on my roof with Bata sleepers and one old child cycle is standing on my roof, and his handle is gone and his seat is gone, but he's still able to be ride. Okay, I can speak now. It's 8:40. I have 1 minute left. Tomorrow is my week off, so I decided that I would get my hair cut and short my beard. So because in long hair, I like long hair, but my hair is fall when I get my hair long. So that I decided that I would get my hair cut on my week off. Now I have eaten egg with 4 rotis and salads and some salads. Now today morning my teacher taught us about how to give interview. wear wear formals when we will go to interview, and get a proper haircut and proper beard, set a proper beard. When I reached to the interview to for interview, first of all, must gives greetings to the interviewer. Means, good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. May I come in? And he said, come in. Then come. When he said, please sit down, then you should sit. Sit in a proper manner, not spread leg too much, not close, just relax. Straight body, chest out. This is the proper way of sitting. And not to fumble in an interview, not to speak like my name is Sahaj, I am going to sleep nowadays. Not. And the most important things are your hobbies. In hobbies, you don't need to tell my hobbies is to sleeping, my hobbies is to walking. This is not that type of hobbies. You need to mention your hobbies like, I like to read books, I like to read novels, I like to explore the world, I like to travel to different places. These are the habits, hobbies you should tell to the interviewer. Now it's already 12 minutes completed. Now may I leave now. Thank you. We will come back. We will meet together next day. Thank you so much. And I promised to me that I would post video on a daily basis.